Hey guys, it's here for Yugatech, and today we're taking a hands-on look at the new Infinix 030 4G, a budget-oriented smartphone from the folks over at Infinix that features some noteworthy specs and an official retail price of only 9,999 pesos. So, without further ado, let's get on with this hands-on review. Starting off with the design, the Infinix 030 4G immediately catches the eye with its large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display. The device looks really sleek too, measuring just 7.9mm thick, and it feels solid in the hands, weighing at less than 200 grams. It's available in a few colors, but our review unit is in this misty green colorway. It also features this soft-touch leather-like material at the rear, which actually feels nice to the touch. It's also paired with gold accents all around the device, from the camera module down to the Infinix Zero logo at the back. The camera module is on the larger side, but it houses the main triple camera array that features a 108-megapixel main sensor, but more on that later. The volume rocker and the power button are found on the right side of the device. Meanwhile, at the top and bottom, you get noise-canceling microphones for calls, along with dual stereo speakers. Yes, it comes with stereo speakers for its price. The device also supports dual nano SIM cards at the bottom and a USB-C port for charging, data transfer, and along with Android Auto. Overall, it feels good in the hands, though its above average form factor means that it'll likely be a bulge in your pocket, especially if you can't seem to let go of those skinny jeans. But on the upside, this could be a good thing for those who spend most of their time watching content or videos on their devices. The device supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and reaches a peak brightness of 950 nits, which makes viewing under direct sunlight very easy. With a resolution of 2400 by 1080, the 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 3D curved AMOLED display provides an immersive visual experience and does so while also integrating an optical in-display fingerprint sensor. While it forgoes the traditional 3.5mm audio jack, we do get dual stereo speakers for a better audio experience. The soundstage seems good for the most part, with lows that could be better in terms of smartphone audio tuning. Either way, they sound good enough for most viewing and audio listening sessions. I mean, at the end of the day, you can always pair your Bluetooth earphones. Overall, the display is quite lovely for most tasks. The AMOLED panel gives this display good contrast and black levels, accompanied by the 120Hz refresh rate. And it's perfect for anyone who loves to chill at home, watching movies or series on their phones. In terms of cameras, most users will really appreciate the impressive array of camera sensors right here. The rear features a triple camera setup consisting of a 108-megapixel main camera with PDAF for sharp and detailed shots, followed by two 2-megapixel sensors for additional depth, making those portrait shots even better. The front houses a 50-megapixel camera with a hidden dual LED flash at the top left corner, alluding to flash photography, selfies for any dark corner of the room or shooting location. In terms of video, it's capable of shooting up to 1440p resolution at 30 FPS, with Full HD Plus capable of 60 FPS or 1080p. Now, check out some of our sample shots here just to give you an idea of how great this camera is. Under the hood, the Infinix 030 4G is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, an octa-core processor that features an ARM Mali G57 MC2 GPU. Only configured with 8GB of RAM and a spacious 256GB internal storage, there is no expandable storage on this device, so unfortunately, if you want more, that's not available. Overall, the device is geared for robust performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding applications for productivity or fun. The usual suspects like Mobile Legends and Genshin Impact are definitely playable on this phone. Do note that Genshin can tend to heat the phone up for the most part, especially if you're gaming for a long period of time. But for general gaming and with other games, it should be fine. For those of you interested in synthetic benchmark scores, we'll be flashing them on the screen right now. For software, the device runs on Android 13 with Infinix XOS 13 interface skinned on top. providing an overall user-friendly interface with a gaming-centric vibe. Overall, XOS isn't our favorite UI, but it has never impeded our use with the device, which basically means it can handle most of the things we throw at it with no issue. Powering the Infinix 030 4G is a substantial 5000 mAh battery, which handles day-to-day tasks with no major issues. It even features a 45-watt charger, allowing you to quickly replenish the battery when in a pinch, keeping you in the game or connected on the go. We have run the usual PC Mark battery benchmarks with the device set to 50% brightness, muted, and with airplane mode turned on to compensate for mixed usage. It garnered this result. Overall, the Infinix Note 30 4G gets impressive battery life. It lasts about a whole day for our mixed use, and it will likely last for your use too. Now, to sum it all up, the Infinix 030 4G does stand out as a feature pack contender in the entry mid-range segment. With its nice display, good performance and battery life, and a camera setup that promises impressive photography, it offers excellent value for its 9,999 peso price tag. Interestingly, this price tag does feel like the new 8,000 peso segment. Either way, what you get for the money you're paying here is definitely for you if you love to watch movies and play games on your phones without necessarily having to get yourself a gaming phone, or at least a dedicated one. It looks sophisticated overall, but we do think phone manufacturers at this price point have to start thinking less about high MP for overall software and interface stability along with functionality. I mean, could I really call this a triple camera setup when two of their sensors are there for depth? Either way, what do you guys think of the Infinix 030 4G? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more. Also, don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified of future uploads. As always, do follow us on our social media channels, which is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy holidays!